If you're experiencing payout delays on KeepTruckin, follow these straightforward steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to take. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your KeepTruckin account and verify that your account is in good standing. Ensure that all required documents are submitted and that there are no outstanding issues that could affect your payouts. Step 2. Review payment schedule. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact support. If everything appears correct but you are still facing delays, reach out to KeepTruckin's customer support. Provide them with your account details and a description of the issue to expedite the resolution process. Step 4. Verify payment method. Check that your payment method is correctly set up in your account. Ensure that your bank account or payment platform details are accurate and up to date to avoid any processing issues. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, make sure to follow up if you do not receive a timely response. Keeping communication open will help ensure that your issue is prioritized and resolved as quickly as possible. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively address any payout delays you encounter on KeepTruckin. If problems persist, continue to engage with customer support for further assistance.